Hello everyone. Welcome to SKLEARNING C#.NET interview series. In this video, we'll explore the difference between thread and task. .NET Framework provides threading tasks class to let you create tasks and run them asynchronously. A task is an object that represents some work that should be done. .NET Framework has thread-associated classes in system threading namespace. A thread is a small set of executable instructions. The thread class is used for creating and manipulating a thread in Windows. A task represents some asynchronous operation and is part of the task parallel library, a set of APIs for running tasks asynchronously and in parallel. The task can return a result. There is no direct mechanism to return the result from a thread. Task supports cancellation through the use of cancellation tokens, but thread doesn't. A task can have multiple processes happening at the same time. Threads can only have one task running at a time. We can easily implement asynchronous using async and await keywords. A new thread is not dealing with thread pool thread, whereas task does use thread pool thread. A task is a higher level concept than thread. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to SKLEARNING for more informative content.